So you create for this project, we'll be using the 16:9 ratio. So we are going to choose the white background. After choosing the white background, we're going to put it in 13 seconds. Let's use 13 seconds for the video. Then after that, you go to your handwriting, you draw a line. Make sure the line is straight. Then you make the line to reach to the other end of the clip. So after that, you position the line in the center. You adjust it. After adjusting it, so look your work whether it's adjusted very well. Then you add effect on the line, that is in animation, draw by stroke. You reduce the speed to 1.5. Now it's perfect. It's perfect. Now you go to your media, you import the downloaded clip, the iPhone. But this one is removed background. So for you guys to remove the background, I would recommend you using BG remover. So you go to your Chrome, use your BG remover, you click on remove image background, hit load, then you click on upload image. After uploading your image, you go to the image. This image, I downloaded it from Pinterest, so I'm going to drop the link on the comment section, on the description box. So after downloading it, you click on your download. Now the image is in PNG file, so the image is in no background file, that is PNG. Now we are done for this part. So now you click on the image you downloaded, expand this clip to the end. Make sure any clip, you make it to touch the end. So after that, you crop the first, that is the iPhone facing the front, you crop it out. After cropping it, you resize it to the text we are going to use for this video. After resizing, you shift it, then you add animation to it, slide right. Now, but the slide right didn't reach the edge where we want, so we are going to add key animation to it. So let's just add a little key to it, drag it backward. We are done. So let's play it, let you see. That's nice. That's nice. So that we go to that same image and our media, we import the same image, we crop out the back, we crop out the back of the image, the back of the iPhone, we resize it, we make sure draw it, adjust it to the end of the clip. So we resize it, make sure it's the same with this one here. Then you click on the tree, then you move send to back. You move it to back. Now it's not perfect, so we got to adjust it a little bit. Then put an animation, slide left. Now we have what we need. It's perfect. So from here now, we add a text, then we write iPhone 13, change it to black because we are using a white background, so we are going to use a black text. So we change the font to Falcon, we adjust it to the text we need. And we slide it, but it looks too fast, but we're gonna adjust it. Let's just adjust the clip first to make it to reach the end. Yes, the clips at the end now. So let's see what we have done. Yes, it's okay now. So we're gonna duplicate this for it to be easy for us. Duplicate it. We edit the duplicated one we duplicated. If you like, you can just start afresh and write the text, but we duplicated so that it will be very easy for us to adjust the clip. We remove it. Pro Max. We change the font. We adjust it. Then yeah, the animation is good for it. It's okay. We duplicate the other one too. After the duplication, we change the text. Now selling. We change the font. Jump scale. Then we adjust the size. Adjust it to fit the screen. After adjusting it, we adjust the clip so that it can align with the slide. Adjust it a little backward. Now let's check it out. Now it rhymes very well. We change the animation to pop. Let's check it out. So we duplicate it again. This for another clip. We change it to art. Okay, the font is okay. We're not going to change the font, so we're just going to change the animation on this. Adjust it backward a little. Let's check it out. Adjust it a little. Let's check the slide very well. Okay. Duplicate. Change our font. Change our title. $890. So change the font. Adjust it a little bit backward. Make the font, the text size bigger, and we adjust it backward so that it can rhyme with the slides. Now we're gonna change the animation. Gonna use this one. This one suits the advert. Okay, now combo price. backward a little. Let's check it out. No, going to change the animation, the text, sorry, then change the animation, post it a little. No. So I'll create another text. Other now. Then make this one a little bit bigger. Then same as also, just follow the video to the ending. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.